Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with Airbnb, full guide step by step clearly. Understanding how to invest with Airbnb is essential for maximizing your returns. Start by researching your local market to identify the most profitable areas. Check local regulations regarding short-term rentals to ensure compliance. Analyze nearby properties and their rental rates to gauge potential income. Create a budget that includes property acquisition, renovations, and operational costs. Consider financing options, such as mortgages or partnerships, to fund your investment. Look for properties that require minimal renovations and are in desirable locations. Evaluate the property's potential by calculating the estimated return on investment. Once you identify a suitable property, make an offer and negotiate the price. After securing the property, focus on renovations that enhance guest experience and appeal. Furnish the space with necessary amenities to attract more bookings. Develop an effective pricing strategy based on market analysis and seasonal trends. Create an eye-catching listing with professional photos and detailed descriptions. Set clear house rules to manage guest expectations and ensure a smooth stay. Promote your Airbnb listing through social media and local partnerships. Monitor guest reviews and feedback to identify areas for improvement. Consider using dynamic pricing tools to optimize your nightly rates. Stay on top of maintenance and cleanliness to ensure high guest satisfaction. Keep track of your income and expenses for accurate financial management. Regularly reassess your investment strategy to adapt to market changes. Engage with local tourism to create unique experiences for your guests. Consider scaling your investment by acquiring more properties over time. Investing with Airbnb can be rewarding with the right approach and dedication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.